What's up, guys? Sorry. What's up, guys? It's Mike Source here with another video. Sorry I haven't been posting. 3 likes an hour, I'll be doing a double upload. So if you hype for that, please leave a like. 3 likes. I think I found out what the noise was. It was a squirrel, I think. But I don't know if you can hear it, but it's here again. I'm gonna turn up my volume. There's probably like trains in the back. Of cars. You hear a quack. Gonna have to hop over the fence. Enjoy their lawn, so I guess it's our property. Guys, don't report me. That's my flash off. Okay, that took a while. For some reason. I was getting farther away. I don't know what that noise is, but definitely a squirrel, guys. God, this freaking skate's so wobbly. This thing is so wobbly. Look at that wobble. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. I'll keep doing more of these videos because we're gonna have to crack down what's making that noise. So far, I got squirrels and birds. Well, please leave a like. 3 hours, not an upload. I'm gonna do a double upload tomorrow too. So if you're in for that, leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.